Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
Printing a worksheet is easy, assuming that you have a printer attached and it works properly. Printing a worksheet, what we're going to do is we're just going to hit File, Print. We've got this layout here. You can see the configuration is really screwy. This is your print preview. If you hit Print, this is page 1. Go down to the bottom. There's page 2. Maybe that's what you wanted. Page 3 and page 4. You have a lot of different options here. You can start with whether you want this printed, any configuration. First and foremost, you have to make sure your printer is set up. If you have multiple printers, make that adjustment here. If not, you can add a printer just by add printer, and then you're going to go into or configuration and you're going to change this, whatever printer you want. Printer active sheets. Now, if you want to print all of the data, you can hit print entire workbook. You can print sections, you can print the active sheet. Now that would probably print just page 4. If you want to print page 1, hit page 1 to page 1. If you want to hit page 1 to 2, or if you want to hit, you can see 1, 2, 3, or 4. If you want collated, you can change this. If you want to hit your margins. If you want to change the margins and then no scaling, these are preset. We want to modify this. Let's get out of here. You say, I'm not happy with any of this stuff. Here are our presets. You can see now the way it's set up, the margins are set up to try to grab a specific page. We can change all of this by hitting normal or go here, and we can change how we want to adjust everything. But you can see pages and margins. You want to change the margins. You want to change the header. These are all your different pre-print options. If you want to hit print preview, it takes us back there. Hit the back key. You can hit scale to fit. You can hit sheet option. And this is the page and the margins and the headers and the sheets. This is just a preview of how to print a page.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime, Williams out.